Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss the basics of nutrition and how to build a healthy plate. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health and improving overall well-being. Let's dive into the key components of a healthy plate and how to incorporate them into your daily meals. First and foremost, we need to ensure that our plate is filled with fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-dense foods are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Aim for at least 5 servings per day, with a focus on variety and color. This will ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Next, let's talk about protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and is found in a variety of sources including lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and legumes. Aim for a mix of protein sources to maintain balanced nutrition. Whole grains are another essential component of a healthy plate. These foods are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and have a moderate calorie content. When choosing grains, opt for whole grain options like brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and quinoa over refined versions. Dairy products, especially low-fat or fat-free alternatives, are also a good source of calcium, protein, and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for strong bones and teeth, and can help maintain a healthy weight. Let's not forget about healthy fats. These are important for hormone production, nerve function, and overall health. Healthy fats can be found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Finally, make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Drinking water helps to maintain digestion, keep your skin clear, and support overall health. In summary, to build a healthy plate, focus on including a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, protein from different sources, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of water. Incorporating these basics into your daily meals will help you maintain a balanced, nutrient-dense diet and lead to a healthier, happier life.